Leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi on July 6th alleged that regulations introduced by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways are restricting small-scale industries and claimed that micro, small and medium enterprises are being deliberately constrained. Rahul Gandhi said the government's flagship initiatives Make in India and Vocal for Local have become only the slogans, alleging that the government's policies favor only big industrialists while neglecting small businesses. He made the remarks while sharing a video on social media from his recent visit to a bus and truck bodybuilding workshop in Jaipur, Rajasthan. During the visit, artisans told him that their grievances remain unresolved because, according to them, the government favors big companies. He said the visit followed a meeting held on March 18th during which he, Priyanka Gandhi and a delegation of Rajasthan's bus and truck body builders met Union Road Transport and Highways Minister Nitin Gadkari. The delegation urged the Union Minister to address the industry's long-pending concerns. So viewers, what's your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.